Hey everyone, this is Speed Code Camp. Thanks for joining in. Today we're going to make a footer section. In this video you'll learn how to make a phone link that'll allow you to click and call, but also a regular link that'll jump to a specific URL. And last but not least, I'll tell you where I got these nice looking icons and how to use it in our HTML. Alright, let's start coding. Okay, so once you come here, in order to use the Font Awesome icons, go ahead and put your email and send kit code, and you'll receive a unique key to your email. And go ahead and click the code. It starts with the script, and put it in your head tag. Don't forget to do that, because if you don't do it, otherwise it won't work. Just don't make a mistake of putting the unique code inside the header. It's not in the header, put it inside the head, okay? And after you finish setting up your Font Awesome, you just come here and search for any icons that you like. I'll go with telephone, and just click, and it's already copied. Go back to your codes and paste it inside the A tag. Alright, and I'll give the same class name. I'll give icon, class name icon, and this A tag I'll have a Instagram icon. Go back, search Instagram, get this, click, paste it, and give icon here. Next, what do we got? We got, let's do Twitter. And paste it here. Icon. We got TikTok. Oops. Okay, so we can go ahead and close this tab, Command W, and we're here, and we don't see anything. That's because the icon color is black, so we gotta change it to white so we can see it. Okay, now we see it over here, and I don't know why it's not showing the phone icon, so let's go back, and so if you press Command Shift T, you can open up the previous tab that you had. Let's get this one right here. Let's try this. Okay, that looks perfect. Okay, so some people might think, why are we using display flex right here? Because the icon already looks nice. And the reason why I'm using display flex is because I want to have a space between each icons right here. And we have several approaches. We can do margins, or we can use justify content space between, space around, but I would like to use a gap here. And the reason why I choose to use gap is because I can punch in the specific number for the space you want in each icons. Looking nice. If you use space justify content space between, space around, space between, you can't really adjust to your own spacing. So I always recommend you guys to use the gap property. Alright, so now we have a good looking design, and we'll go ahead and edit our A tags. Okay, so for the phone icon, I want that to be able to call the actual number. So in order to do that, you'll type TEL and colon, and you type your actual number that you want to call. So this will be a random number, 123 slash 456 slash 789, like that. And you save it, go back. If you click the phone icon, it'll try to make a call. So that's how you do it. It's very easy and simple. And next, for the Instagram icon, come here and you'll do HTTPS and slash Instagram.com and save it. Go back, and if you click the Instagram, there you go. It'll jump to the Instagram URL. Alright, so we can go back and do the same thing for the Twitter. Let me just copy this right here and option click, Command V, paste it in, and just change these to, oh my bad, it's not this one, it's this, Twitter, and that was TikTok, and this is YouTube. Save it, let's check, go back. Go to YouTube, it works, okay. All right, now we have this beautiful looking footer section. And the last thing what we want to do is go to our DevTools and check our responsive mode. And make sure this is 100%. Okay, so now I want these gaps to be a little smaller because it'll start overflowing. So let's fix that. And also I want these images to be a little smaller too. And also let's check the hamburger menu. So when we click this, now you can see that nav list is in front of the text, and we don't want that. So let's go ahead and fix this too. It's very easy. So let's go back to our code. And so this nav list, when it opens, we want this to be all the way in the front. So go to our CSS, let's do Command F, type dot nav list, and we can double click and press Command D, and there's nav list open. So we're gonna put Z index 2, and this will bring this nav list open all the way to the front. Let's save it and check. Now when we press this button, it will look like this. Okay, so next let's fix this gap and make these photo a little smaller. Max width, let's go with something around 430, maybe 420. All right, let's go back and do 420, and we'll do dot icon. It'll be font size of 20 pixels, and for the pictures Picture will do with let's do 260, and also we'll go get this contact box. We can get rid of these, and the gap, let's do 30. Okay, and refresh it. Let's make the icons a little bit bigger, but the pictures and the nav list is fixed. It's looking nice. Let's go back. Font size, make it 25. Go back. All right, everything looks good. By the way, I've decided I'll give out all my codes for free on GitHub whenever I reach 1,000 subscribers. Feel free to copy all of my project and make your own portfolio to get your first job. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.